What is going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to show you why you may suck at trading and why most beginners suck at trading. So I want you to sit back, take some notes, and let's get into it. So in this video, we're going to show you just why most people tend to fail at trading. And that all comes down to not having a proper consistent watch list, not having a proper consistent strategy, and also following a lot of fake bullcrap news that they see on TV. So what I want to do is show you just what you can look at as a pro trader to give yourself a trading edge. The first thing you're going to do is you want to have some kind of monitoring system such as Thinkorswim or TradingView, something where you can see the charts and see how they're acting in real time. Next, you need to get a tool that actually tracks option data for you or any kind of stock trading data. Over here, we use TradeUI. Click that link in the description below. It'll take you to TradeUI's site. We're going to walk through two different tools that we can utilize to find potential winners, and we're going to break down just how these work and logically make sense. So first, I'm going to look at option flow data. Option flow data shows me large option transactions in real time that tell me if there's potential bullish or bearish activity in the markets. To do that, I'm going to look for people who are buying positions. So the ask means that they're buying the ask, which means they're closing the ask. So when you have ask or bid on a stock ticker, ask tends to be the price you have to pay to purchase. Bid tends to be the price you have to pay to close. So we're looking for people opening positions. I want to see a minimum premium of $100,000. And I want to see an expiration of something less than 100 days. That way I can really see what's going on, and we're going to filter it down from there. So right there, we filtered down all this option data to a little bit, usually a lot of stocks it looks like today. However, something that just caught my eye right here is PCT. PCT has two different option contracts, one for $8 and one for $7. Not really interested because the stock's already trading above these two strikes. We want to see something that's out the money, basically telling us, hey, everything that's getting traded today, people are buying technically worthless contracts, and they're betting over $100,000 that these contracts will be worth something in the next 100 days. So we're going to apply that here, and we're going to see what happens. So we see NVIDIA, Tesla, GLD, ESTC. We see a couple of different things going on. So let's go to GLD. So GLD, all these are small moves, and we're from 0.5% to 2% over the next 60 to 80 days. So let's see if we can find something a little more aggressive. All right, let's look at Tesla. Why not? So Tesla has a lot of out the money activity, only about 1% it looks like, nothing too big. So let's see if we find one more that's a really like a jaw-dropping, wow, that's a good deal. Let me do this. Let me set my minimum move to 5%. That way we see something that's theoretically supposed to move at least 5%. All right, let's look at this ESTC again. All right, so ESTC, they're expecting a 15% move over the next 87 days. They're targeting the $70 strike price. So they bought $130,000 worth of ESTC thinking it's going to go to 70. So if we pull it up on the chart here, ESTC, was that it? Yeah. Go to a longer term chart. So this is actually a great buy level around the $60 level right now because you have a lot of support in this area. You can see here, here, and here. $70 is a strong resistance area. If I had some free capital, this would be a position I would look at entering right now. It has a strong upside potential with little downside potential. I want to be careful because it looks like we're getting close to earnings. I don't know when their date is, but strong possibility of seeing $70 sooner rather than later. All right, so just like that, we're able to find one trade. But let me show you another tool that we can use to really give ourselves a trading advantage. And that's going to be over on the stocks section. We're going to go to insiders. What insiders is, this shows us all of the inside trading going on within a company. The CEOs, directors, different investment groups buying these stocks or selling these stocks. Market's been beaten up lately, so let's do some common sense thinking here. The market's down. Let's see who's buying it. So I'm going to go to buy transactions, and I'm going to filter by, let's see, insider title. Now I'll be careful when I'm going through insider title. What I'm actually going to do is filter by the value of the trade. So this broken down to different categories. Of course, you have your ticker, the owner who made the trade, their title, the trade type, the cost per share, number of shares, the overall value, and the shares they have now with some other data here, especially their filing date. I want to see something at least over $1 million, and I want to see a president, CEO, or somebody who runs the company buying it. I don't care about directors because think, if they're a director, they're not in the day-to-day operations. I want to see people who are in the day-to-day, such as the president, CEO. In this case, ASAN looks very interesting to me. There's two trades by the same person, the president and CEO, for $19.79. Looks like there's a total of $6 million between these two trades. So let's look at the chart. All right, so I go here, and I'm gonna type in ASAN. All right, ASAN had a big pop to the upside recently. If we zoom in right here, you can see this big jump from 20.5 to 22. They bought around the $19 level, so it looks like this was their purchase right here. And if we go a little bit wider, plenty of room to the upside here to hit $25. So it looks like we have a breakout right here to the upside. So we could see continuation to, looks like 24.40 to 25 in that range. So another $3 a share. $3 a share on a $22 stock. That is a little bit over a 10% potential upside. So this is another tool that we can quickly use to analyze potential trades in the market. But what that did, that kept us out of a couple of things. It kept us out of a typical index. It also thinned down our watch list from 3,000 stocks to just a handful today. Guys, if you want to check out TradeUI for yourself, we have a discount code in the description below. Go ahead and click on the link and join up. This is a very powerful tool that you can use to give yourself a trading edge. If you enjoyed this video, check out the other videos we have on the channel. It really does help the channel grow. Go ahead and click a like and subscribe if you want to continue to see content. That way you can utilize TradeUI and you can give yourself a trading edge. We're going to end it here, guys. Have a great day.